Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right cable and a stable power source. This matters because inconsistent current lengthens charge time. Plug the USB-C end into the G Pro X Superlight 2, then the other end into your chosen port. Once done, make sure the mouse is stationary to allow accurate charging and status reporting. You don't need to power the PC on if using a wall adapter. Keep the dongle removed so the mouse isn't maintaining a wireless connection while charging. Once connected, monitor the LED and Logitech G Hub to understand how much charge is incoming and whether a firmware update is needed. The LED pattern or the app shows progress. That helps you decide if you can use the mouse during charging. You can operate the mouse while plugged in, but performance may vary, so make sure to test sensitivity and polling rate in G Hub. If a firmware update begins, let it finish before unplugging to avoid software corruption or battery reporting errors. To complete, wait for the indication of full charge and then unplug the cable. Reinsert the dongle and test tracking and settings in G Hub. Make sure the battery percentage drops normally during use to confirm a proper charge cycle. If the mouse fails to charge, try another USB-C cable and a different port. This isolates cable versus mouse faults. A key troubleshooting tip: if charging still fails, update or reinstall firmware and test again. If problems persist, contact Logitech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.